A little something about Raymond. He's an investor in stocks and rentals. He wants no money from you, no bait and switch, nothing. Here's what he's going to do. He's going to log into his personal account, share real estate property documents, and give you suggestions on what to read.
All right, today is Wednesday, August 24th, 2022, and we're at my Fidelity Net Benefits login screen, and we about to see what this GE 401k is doing. It is secret code time. Close your eyes. You can't get the code. I don't know you. All right. It has been a little over 3 weeks since I made a video. So what does that mean? That means I've been doing something. I'm going to say, I guess, half working and half vacation. It's kind of good when you don't work for anybody. I didn't have to ask if I can take a vacation. I just took it. So think about that. It's all about stocks and rentals. I want you guys to know I am here to put money in your pockets. And at the end of this video, I will show you step by step how to do it. You are looking at a portfolio of almost $1 million. This is something that you guys can do. I got you. Right now, I have a favor to ask. Did you know if you hit the subscribe, like, and share button on this video, it helps me to keep helping you. Everything I do is for free. I would really appreciate if you hit those buttons right now. So we are about to jump into this plan. Let's do it. All right, my balance as of yesterday, August 23rd, $389,338.23. Am I making money or losing money so far this year? Let's look at the rate of return. I am losing. I am down 10.17%. So how much money am I losing? All we got to do is scroll down. And unfortunately, I've lost $44,084.92. That hurts. What am I invested in that's making me lose all that money? Let's click here under investments. We always click on this tab, cumulative returns. And this is the column we like to look at year to date, because this is going to tell me what's winning and what's losing. So I have a small winning of 0.34%, and that is the GE Government Money Market Fund. And what's making me lose all that money? This is the negative sign. This is the U.S. Large Cap Equity Index. Let's open the one that's making money. So what is in here? What's in this fund is making me a couple of dollars. All we got to do is scroll down. And right here under asset allocation, the reason that this fund is positive, this fund is almost all cash. Over 90% is cash and almost 10% are domestic bonds. So cash is king if there is a recession. Cash is king when the stock market is not doing well. That's why I'm doing well in this fund. And why am I negative? Because I am in stocks. As you guys know, in 2022, the market has not been great. So let me bring to your attention, since the last video, I've made some changes. And the changes that I've made are right here. I sold some of this money market, and I bought some of this, and let me show you, because it's all about show improve with me. We're going to go up here to summary, and we're going to look at transaction history, because I got to show you what I did in the last 3 weeks. Clicking here again under transaction history. And what did I do and when did I do it? So on August 12th, I decided to sell, as I just stated to you, some of the money market fund, and I sold almost $52,000 of it. And this amount went right up here because I bought U.S. Large Cap Equity Index. So I did make some changes. The reason I decided to make the changes is that I was looking at the trends of the stock market. The stock market in the last month, maybe month and a half, has been trending upward. And I decided to jump back into stocks. I put about 25% of my money in. So majority of my money, I'm still in that safe fund, that conservative fund. But I didn't want to miss out on the trend. So that's why I did that swap. I sold and bought. So let's go back, because we want to compare where I am now to where I was about 3 weeks ago. So we're comparing this number right here to we're at Stocks and Rentals, and we're going to find the last GE update. And on August 1st, I was at $390,978.26. Bringing it back to yesterday, the difference is negative. I lost money, a little over $1,600, $1,640.03. This is the way the stock market works. Some videos, and I wish it was every video, I can show you I'm winning, and make everything seem like it's nothing you can lose. And you're going to see people making videos only when they win. That's not how the stock market works. So I just showed you in the last 3 weeks, I lost $1,600. But here is the good news. If you are a long-term investor, you will win. I guarantee it. How can you get almost $400,000 in your 401k? It is super easy. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description that would take you right here. Start here to learn about your 401k. There are 10 steps. Let me fly through these steps. They're super easy, and you got to do the 10 steps if you're brand new to the 401k, because if you want to get almost $400,000, here go the 10 steps right here. Step number 1, you have to figure out what type of investor you are. If you click right here, I break them down. There are 3 different types of investors. Once you read this, you will determine which one you are. Remember, no one can tell you what type of investor you are. I don't know you. I can't go to you and say, you're this one and the other guy is that one. You got to figure that one out. Number 2, I give you some real easy terms. These terms are the terms that allow me to get almost $400,000 in this 401k. They're right here. You don't have to memorize them because you can always come back and refresh your memory. Number 3, I show you how to group the investments in your 401k to meet your investment style: conservative, balanced, or aggressive investor. This is part of step 1. You're going to figure out which one of the 3 you are. Number 4, I talk about definitions. What is cumulative total return? Click right here. I'm always talking about it. Number 5, there are fees in your 401k. You don't want high fees. A lot of times they like to hide them. I show you where they are. You want to avoid high fees. Number 6, what is average annual total return, and how can that help you pick different funds? We talk about that. Number 7, I peek inside a 401k fund. It's a lot of stuff to look at when you start clicking on those fund names. And I show you what to look at and all the stuff you can ignore. Number 8, I show you step by step how to contribute money from your paycheck into your 401k. You got to get the money into your 401k before you do anything else. Number 9, I show you how to get the money from your 401k into your investment choices. And number 10, I show you, click right here, how to sell and buy an investment choice in your 401k. Everything is right here. Follow these steps, you will get paid. I just showed you my account, almost $400,000. Let me scroll up to the top because I'm going to close this out. I love closing out my videos because I like to remind you guys, I invest in stocks, I invest in rentals. Why would I try to get money from you? Tell me why. I'm showing you over $400,000. I am not greedy. Anybody on YouTube, anybody that has a website and they're trying to get money from you, the person that's just trying to start off, something's not right about them. If you're getting paid, I'm getting paid. I'm showing you I don't want your money. I want you to get money. I'm Raymond, Stocks and Rentals. I'm out. Peace.
Come on, push the button.
Yeah, come on, push your button up.
Push the goddamn button.
Push the goddamn